In today's video, we're going to be checking out a case from Ringke, which is their Fusion series for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. So I have the Amazon page open here and we can see the listing. So it comes in 3 different styles. We got smoke black, clear, and matte clear. So I got the smoke black and it's available for the 23, 23 Plus, and the 23 Ultra. So this is the package that it comes in. It's eco packaging, made in Korea, which is interesting. And again, it's the matte smoke black. So let's go ahead and open it up. And this is what we see. So we got some papers on the inside, how to correctly put the case on, a reminder to remove the protective film on the inside. And here we also got a little 20% off coupon for more products from Ringke. So as we can see, it looks really nice. We got darkened corners that are rubbery, and then we have the matte here. So let's go ahead and peel the protector on the inside. And they got these little green tabs that you just pull on. So on the inside, it is hard plastic. Yeah, if we look a little closer here, it looks quite nice. So let's go ahead and put the phone in it. And so because my phone is black, it's going to really darken everything up. So the best way to put this in is the buttons should go in first, like this, because you don't want to stress the button when you're trying to clamp it down. But yeah, you just kind of put it in and then down, and it pops right in. So yeah, it looks like a perfect fit. And right off the bat, it looks quite incredible. So let's go ahead and peel this protector here. And now we can really see the matte look. Looks very nice. And you can kind of see the Samsung logo pushing through there barely. So yeah, nothing too glossy or flashy, but the sides are a little reflective. But I definitely love the darkened rubber, which makes it feel quite nice and premium. So overall seems to be a perfect fit, and everything seems to be perfectly molded. There's no waves or anything weird. So if we look, we can see that we have protrusion on both ends, and then it kind of goes down. So the screen is practically on the same level as the case on the sides. So most of the protection is going to come from the top and bottom sections. So you can lay the phone down, obviously. Now, as far as the back goes, it's pretty much the same level here. But what's great is there's little feet here on each corner that keep it from touching the case itself, so it's not going to scratch it. So when you set it down like this, the little feet hold it up from the back panel. So that's going to really help and deter a lot of little scratches. And on the cameras, you guys can see they're practically flush. They're just slightly below the back panel here. So that's the kind of look I like, so that's perfect. And the cutouts are also very close to perfection and look really good. We got the hole here for the mic. We also have a little cutout on the top for the speaker. Going to this side, it's clean, except we do have a little mounting point here. On the bottom, we can see we can get to our S Pen quite easily. There's actually a little step up here. That way it's quite easy to get to it, so it's not too hard to pull it out. The speaker's seen. And also the charge port is quite open. And at the very corner here, it does say made in Korea and then some kind of number. So going around, we got another mounting spot. And then we got our buttons. So we got the power button and it feels really good. Actually feels quite natural. So that's great. And then we got the volume buttons. Also feels great. So yeah, very nice. And very clean looking case. And if you want something more stealthy, I think the Ringke Fusion with the matte back gives it a premium feel, and also the darkened sides. So yeah, if you want to pick this one up, I'll have some links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.